Hey everybody, welcome back. Here we are, new day, new lure, and the pattern we're going to go for is going to be a yellow perch. Yellow perch, very successful pattern. I mean, it's Fire Tiger's based off of it. Yeah, it's going to be fun. So what we're going to start off with is going to be the pearl yellow from Wicked Colors, and that's just over top of the golden titanium white. I'm going to paint all over, skipping the belly. Here, let's zoom in and give you a better look. There we go. Okay, next up we have the Pearl Lime Green from Wicked Colors. And I'm going to start in the back and just kind of bleed down the side. Okay, so we have our Pearl Lime Green, or yellow. We're just going to spray a little bit of the golden green gold over top just to kind of help with blending in. Okay, now we're going to have the golden sap green hue. We've switched up the brush to something a little more detailed, the Creos 270. Not because we need a lot of detail right now, but I find that spraying through ribbon and whatnot, it just gives a bit of a better finish. And we're just going to do a light pass. A little bit on the cheek. And let's do the same to the other side. Still with that sap green hue in the brush, we'll just go for a pass down the back. Okay, next we're going to take a little bit of mesh, place it over top. Okay, next step we're going to have some shading gray. Load it up in the brush, a little bar stencil here. Let's get that lined up. Okay, just kind of holding it in place. Again, I'm not too concerned if it kind of bleeds through. It'll just lend to the more natural look that we're kind of trying to go for. Just give that a little bit of air. Let's move forward and put some sepia in the brush. And all I'm going to do, just a very light blast throughout the body. Alright, let's get these clips off and have a look at where we're at. Good stuff. Okay. So with the shading gray back in the brush, let's just go along the back. Okay, as I'm sure you know by now, I'm a huge fan of the sepia, and we're just gonna go over the back, kind of blend things together. I do like to finish off with the sepia. I know we kind of switch back and forth between the shading gray and the sepia. I suppose you could have skipped that step of switching around if you just did the back with the shading gray first. Okay, we have the modeled stencil from Anarchy Models. And just high up on the cheek here, we'll just put a little bit of sepia through. You know what? That looks a little bit too uniform. We're gonna go over that again. That's what I like about the modeled. Like, you don't have to just go for once and you're done. You can kind of keep on going over time and time again to get the effect you're looking for. Okay, so we're almost done. We're gonna come in with the titanium white again, and we're just going to add a little bit of details here. So I got a little bit crazy on the greens and yellows here on the face. And what I actually want to add is going to be a little bit of red under the gills. Okay, next we have some transparent red. Get this little stencil back out. And all we're looking for here is the overspray. Just that little bit of pink. Good, good, good. Just a little bit of the red underneath the chin a little bit. And again, very light. With the transparent colors, the more you go over it, the more defined that color is going to be. But if you just start off very light, it gives you a very, very natural look. That's good. Okay, with our Jacquard bright orange in the brush, we're going to get some fins on. Alright, let's have a look at these fins. Yeah, I like that. Okay, let's get some eyes in. Okay, let's put some clear coat on that. Be right back. All right, here we go. Yellow perch. Clear coat is on. Hooks are on. I like the way it turned out. What do you think? Comments below. I want to hear it. Good, bad? Let's hear what you think. To all those that have already subscribed, thank you so much. It's absolutely incredible, the support that I've been receiving so far. If you like what you've seen, consider subscribing. That'd be amazing. Let's try and grow this as big as we can. Other than that, have a great day, have a great weekend, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.